So I would call that fascism. I mean, you're literally, in this case, it was like you're in the crowd trying to drown out her voice.
Soul mind trying to integrate with many human egos and all their own bodies. Nursery teachers who work with very young souls may not choose to become guides for the general population of souls, for many reasons. Working with souls, because many young souls do not seem to be able to
Child, a crocodile took me and another took my cousin. I pulled free because it had a poor grip. I have the scars on my upper arm and shoulder still, but my cousin was not so lucky. When that crocodile was found and days later, we found him in its belly, half dissolved and white as milk.
Stop like that.
Really shuddered. Don't blame yourself. God.
Oh, that's over on the other side.
I read it and I'm like, I don't know where the State Farm Stadium is. And it is a freeway traffic toward Glendale. I'm like, well, Phoenix is toward... No!
We're okay. Stop. Just stop.
If his butt hurts because his parents spanked him, or if he just accidentally fell on his butt. Obviously, he knows the parents spanked him because it's directly connected to some disobedience.
Oh.
So I think when God chastises us, generally speaking, it is, a discipline for something that we've done wrong. And it's not likely that he'll discipline us for something that we don't know we did wrong. So, in other words, you're not going to be wondering, what did I do to have this happen to me? Now,
Whoa. Honey, I can't. Jesus Christ. Hold on, we're going back up.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Me, I'm looking in the mirror, so but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst